A pragmatic question on the lips of many military analysts is, what does the future hold for military aviation? Well, look no further than the new F-47 NGAD sixth-generation fighter jet. In a world where technology advances at the speed of light, the dawn of a new era in military aviation is upon us. It's an era marked by unprecedented power, stealth capabilities, and a price tag that matches its ambition. It's the era of the F-47, a new generation fighter jet being developed by Boeing, as recently announced by President Trump. The F-47 is the latest jewel in the crown of the U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance program, a program that is not only pushing the boundaries of technology, but also reshaping the landscape of the defense industry. With development costs estimated to exceed $20 billion, the F-47 is a testament to America's commitment to maintaining air superiority. But what makes the F-47 so special? It is said to possess power and stealth capabilities that are yet to be seen in any other fighter jet. It's a game changer, a technological marvel that will redefine what it means to rule the skies. The announcement of the F-47 has had a ripple effect, causing waves not just in the military sector, but in the financial markets as well. Boeing's stock rose following the announcement, a welcome change of pace for the aerospace giant that has faced its fair share of challenges in recent years. But as the saying goes, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. In this case, it was Lockheed Martin, producer of the F-35 jet, that saw a drop in shares. The F-47 is more than just a new plane. It is a symbol of America's commitment to leading the world in military aviation. It's a commitment that comes with high stakes and even higher expectations. But if there's one thing that history has taught us, it's that America never shies away from a challenge. The F-47 didn't just materialize out of thin air. It was built on the back of years of research and development. The foundation of this game-changing aircraft is deeply rooted in the tireless work of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA as it's better known. DARPA has been a wellspring of innovation and technological advancement in the defense sector for decades. In the early stages of the F-47's development, DARPA awarded contracts to both Boeing and Lockheed Martin. These contracts were not just for the development of a new generation fighter jet, but they marked the beginning of a journey that would take military aviation to new heights. The two companies developed a pair of experimental aircraft referred to as X-planes. These X-planes weren't just prototypes, they were the stepping stones towards the realization of the F-47. The flights of these X-planes, carried out in 2019 and 2022, were the proving grounds for the concepts and technologies that would be incorporated into the F-47. They were the tangible evidence of the progress being made towards the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD platform. The NGAD platform is not just about developing a new aircraft, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in air superiority. It's about creating a platform that can introduce advanced technologies that ensure the US maintains its position as a global leader in the field. This aircraft is not just another fighter jet. It's a symbol of a new era in military aviation. It represents the culmination of years of research, development, and innovation. It's the result of the dedicated work of countless engineers and scientists, all striving towards a common goal: to create a platform that can dominate the skies. It's a glimpse into the future of military aviation, a future defined by unprecedented power, stealth capabilities, and the ability to work seamlessly with drone swarms. The aircraft's development journey, from the drawing board to the skies, is a story of ingenuity, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. For Boeing, the F-47 isn't just a new contract, it's a lifeline. The F-47 contract is crucial for Boeing's defense arm, with the company banking on futuristic air dominance technologies to revitalize its business. Now let's imagine a scenario where the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, program gets cancelled. It would be more than a mere setback for Boeing. It could potentially spell the end of Boeing as a producer of fighter aircraft, leaving Lockheed Martin as the sole competitor in the market. That's not all. The Air Force is re-evaluating the NGAD program to make it less expensive and more feasible, which could potentially impact Boeing's future production. The uncertainty surrounding the NGAD program has raised concerns about the future of the defense industry. But it's not just about the contract or the program, it's about Boeing's capability too. Industry experts have raised concerns about Boeing's ability to develop a new advanced aircraft, given its current challenges with technical and supply chain issues. The F-47 is expected to have advanced capabilities, including longer range, improved stealth, and the ability to work with drone swarms. Can Boeing deliver on these promises? Only time will tell. In the face of these challenges, the F-47 represents a lifeline for Boeing, a chance to prove its mettle and reaffirm its position as a global leader in the field of military aviation. For Boeing, the stakes couldn't be higher. Imagine the most advanced capabilities you could want in a fighter jet, and the F-47 is likely to exceed them. This sixth-generation air superiority fighter is all about going farther, flying stealthier, and working smarter. Let's start with its range. The F-47 is designed to travel distances that leave previous generations of aircraft in the dust. This longer range capability brings a whole new level of strategic possibilities to the table, allowing the United States Air Force to extend its reach further than ever before. But what's the use of an extended reach if your enemies can see you coming? That's where the F-47's improved stealth comes in. This aircraft has been designed to be the ultimate ghost in the sky. Its stealth capabilities are so advanced that they are said to make it practically invisible to radar systems, letting it slip undetected into enemy territory. And yet, the F-47's most extraordinary feature might just be its ability to work with drone swarms. This isn't just about sending out a lone fighter jet anymore. The F-47 can command a swarm of drones, extending its capabilities and creating a formidable force in the sky. This integration with drone technology is a testament to the F-47's cutting-edge design and its position at the forefront of military technology. The F-47 is not just set to replace the Lockheed Martin F-22, it is set to redefine what an air superiority fighter can be. It's a key part of a larger initiative to modernize the USAF's fleet, bringing the cutting edge of technology to the forefront of our defense systems. As for when we can expect to see this marvel in action, the first flight of the F-47 is expected by early 2029. It's a date that promises to mark a new era in military aviation as the F-47 takes to the skies for the first time. The F-47 NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance, is a conceptual sixth-generation fighter jet currently under development by the United States Air Force, USAF. This cutting-edge aircraft is designed to surpass the capabilities of fifth-generation fighter jets, such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Here are some of the new features and advanced capabilities that distinguish the F-47 NGAD. Design and materials. Advanced materials. The F-47 NGAD will feature advanced materials such as advanced composites, smart skins, and metamaterials, which will provide improved strength-to-weight ratio, reduced radar cross-section, and enhanced survivability. Blended wing body design. The aircraft is expected to have a blended wing body design which will reduce drag, increase lift, and provide a larger internal volume for fuel, payload, and avionics. Propulsion and performance. Advanced engine. The F-47 NGAD will be powered by a new generation engine, such as the General Electric XA100 or the Pratt Whitney XA101, which will provide increased thrust-to-weight ratio, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced noise signature. Supercruise capability. The aircraft is expected to have supercruise capability, allowing it to sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners. Increased speed and range. The F-47 NGAD will likely have a top speed exceeding Mach 2.5, around 1,800 miles per hour, and a range of over 2,000 miles, 3,200 kilometers. Stealth and survivability. Advanced stealth coatings. The aircraft will feature advanced stealth coatings and materials, which will reduce its radar cross-section and make it harder to detect. Internal weapons bay. The F-47 NGAD will have an internal weapons bay which will reduce drag and increase stealth capabilities. Advanced electronic warfare, EW, capabilities. The aircraft will be equipped with advanced EW capabilities, including jamming, spoofing, and cyber warfare capabilities. Avionics and sensors. Advanced avionics. The F-47 NGAD will feature advanced avionics, including a highly integrated and networked system which will provide enhanced situational awareness, decision-making, and combat effectiveness. Multispectral sensors. The aircraft will be equipped with multispectral sensors, including advanced radar, electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, and hyperspectral sensors, which will provide enhanced detection, tracking, and identification capabilities. Payload and weapons. Internal payload bay. The F-47 NGAD will have an internal payload bay, which will allow it to carry a variety of payloads, including sensors, communication systems, and weapons. Advanced weapons. The aircraft will be capable of carrying advanced weapons, including hypersonic missiles, advanced air-to-air missiles, and precision-guided munitions. Development and testing. Development timeline. The F-47 NGAD is currently in the conceptual phase, with development expected to begin in the mid-2020s flight testing. Flight testing is expected to begin in the late 2020s, with the aircraft expected to enter service in the 2030s. The F-47 NGAD represents a significant leap forward in fighter jet technology, with advanced features and capabilities that will provide the USAF with a dominant air power advantage. Its development and testing will be closely watched by military analysts and aviation enthusiasts around the world.